So finally guys, I'm starting one new series with the Now Assist. So today's topic is code generation with Now Assist. So today in this video, we are going to learn about what is code generation benefits, intended user and required role, code generation discussion, code generation prompt types, use cases of the generation, code generation workflow, code generation prompt, best practices, also installation and process workflow also will do. So first, what is code generation? Code generation is a platform enhancement that allows developers and admins to write scripts quickly with AI generated code prediction based on developer prompts that includes comments, code blocks, or a combination of both. Additionally, it can be used to refactor the existing code and improve the validation, error handling, logging, variable naming, code commenting, and database calls. So basically, in a single words, let's say I am a developer. I know how to write that code logic. So I give a proper prompt. So our Now Assist will help us to generate that code. But it doesn't mean that if you don't know the code, so it will give you a best code. No. Human brains is at the top, but it will suggest you that thing, so you can do some trick on that thing, or you can tweak that code simply so you can get a better code. Also, let's say you written one code and there some best practices are missing, so you want to verify your code, so that also refactoring also you can do with your code with the help of the Now Assist. So code generation benefit. With code generation, you can reduce the time to value when scripting, improve the accuracy and quality of the scripts, also use a feedback loop to improve the now large language model or LLM, all of which leads to a faster and easier approach to develop and update the scripts. Next is intended users and required roles. The intended user for Now Assist for creator are primarily experienced developer, also referred to as a pro coders. You as a developer need this expertise and experience because you will need to be able to create the good prompts. As I told early only, it doesn't mean that if you don't know the logic of the code, so you can't generate a good prompts, right? So that the thing is main part of the code generation. Prompt is the main thing. Understand the code that's being generated as a result of them. Additionally, in order for you to use it, you need to be assigned the Now Assist creator role. That part we'll be going to see in our next part in the video. And simplify, having the admin role on sufficient. What is the mean? If you have admin role, but if you don't have the Now Assist creator role, you are not able to use the Now Assist. Next is code generation discussion. With the code generation, there are a lot of things to keep in mind. For starters, there are no implementation after installation. You turn it on and you can get the started in a couple of minutes. Since there are no implementation, it lets you quickly become more productive, but it is not a substitute of real world scripting experience. Your success is related to your prompts, and that's all you. That's so true. Just because of your ability to modify the generated code to suit your needs is critical. If you could not write the code before, you can't write it now. So don't expect to learn the coding over here, okay? Also, model updates are not tied with the App Store release schedule, so you should get the latest and greatest information each time you use the code generation. Next is code generation prompt types. There are several types of prompts. Basically, we are taking three basic code generation prompt is text to code, code complete, and code refactoring. Text to code is if you give some prompt, it will generate one code. Code complete means after the prompt, let's say you give some prompt and you written half of the code, it will complete that code, you will verify and you will make it submit or workable position. Okay, and code refactoring means there is the existing code which you are trying to align with the best practices and regenerate that thing, or refactoring that logic. So in that case, you can use the code generation refactoring part. So the next part is use cases. So there are a lot of use cases are available. Let's in the fixed script include action designer, email script, instance scan, business rules, schedule job. In this case also, you can use this thing. Next is code generation workflow. How the code generation work? So basically, for the starters, the developer provides a prompt in the form of the text code or a combination of text and code. Then the developer triggers the generated code suggestion. The generated code is not expected to be perfect. It is meant to accelerate the development. As I told already, that you need to re-verify your code after it's getting generated by the Now Assist. Next, the developer reviews the AI generated code and suggestion and accepts or rejects it. Finally, the developer modify the code as per their needs. That is the code generation workflow. Next is prompt best practices. Always use the specific instruction with API names where it is possible. Include the condition. Be clear on the time frames. Prompt for one component part at a time. Next is installation and activation process. The first thing you need to do as a part of the installation and the activation process is install the Now Assist for Creator app. But before you actually do that thing, so basically the Now Assist is not available in our personal development instance. So you guys can check that thing from the ServiceNow site. Then you need to assign the creator role, Now Assist creator role. Then only you are able to do or use the Now Assist things. So now we are going to jump in our laptop screen or in our environment screen. So we will see that thing. So So let me quickly jump over there. So this is the instance. So first of all guys, how you are going to know that it is a AI enabled instance or not? See, this instance is still not AI enabled. Look into this part. If it is AI enabled, here one sign will come. So first, what we will do, let me show you guys what role is needed. So as of now, I have been logged in as a system administrator. So let me go into my profile. It is loading. Let me change the view to default. So now I can show you guys what is the role is needed for this. So this now assist created, this role is needed. Let's say I have this role now, but you can assign this role to on yourself. Next part come how we can activate the now assist. So for that thing I will search with the now assist. So here I will get a now assist admin panel. It has overview, now assist features, now assist experience. So this is the experience panel of the now assist. If I will turn on this now assist, so I have turned on, now turn this is on. So if I will be clicking on go to the features and skill, so you can see my instance is loading, and here you guys can see now plugins install. See, now this icon came called now assist. So what I will do now, I will create a background script with the help of the generative AI and the now assist. So I'll be searching with the background. So here is the script background. So here in this interface, if you want to pop up the generative or code generation UI, so you need to type control enter. So here I have written list of write a background script for populating the count of all unassigned incident. See, it is generating the things. If I will click on accept, see, it is generated the thing. Now if I'll be giving over here gs.print where count equals to 0, count plus plus. So here I need to add something, that is the count variable, right? Then only it is going to print. If I'll be click on run script, see, unassigned incident count is 19. So here this plus part I need to write, right? You guys already saw that part. So this is the main funda. If you think that it will generate the whole script, no, it will give you a prototype. You need to adjust it or you need to tweak it as per your needs. So that's all for today. Please follow and subscribe my channel, like this video. I am going to upload more videos on the now assist. Also we are going to create the custom skills also. So stay tuned with us. Welcome IT official. Also join our WhatsApp group. The link will be in the description. Thank you.